Hello friends, welcome to another episode of our cooking. Today we are going to make everyone's favorite, adults, kids, everyone's favorite is garlic bread. You can have it any time of the day. So basically garlic bread consists of a bread topped with fresh garlic or garlic powder, olive oil, butter, included with herbs such as parsley, thyme, rosemary, oregano and some chives. Okay. Alright, to make the garlic bread, I took Cuban bread, which is very soft and delicate. Okay, I'm going to cut this bread vertically and make it into half. Okay. The first ingredient I should talk about is, of course, is garlic bread. So I'm going to use fresh garlic chopped, garlic powder, garlic oil, fresh chopped thyme and rosemary, shaved Parmesan cheese, chopped parsley and onion powder, and butter. Okay. If the butter is too hard, just leave it outside in the room temperature. So once it is soft enough, we can use it for the garlic bread. Okay. So right now I have butter balls which are very soft. I left it at room temperature. So I'm going to mix this butter with all the ingredients together. Okay. Alright friends, take the mixing bowl. Add the butter which is soft now. Okay. I left the butter in room temperature so it is soft and it's easy to use to make the garlic bread. Okay. Once we add the butter to the bowl, add very little bit of garlic, not too much. Okay. Since we are going to add some garlic powder too. Okay. Onion powder, garlic oil, fresh herbs, thyme and rosemary, some chopped parsley. Okay, and mix it nicely and make a nice paste out of it. And we can use this garlic butter spread on the bread. Okay, on the Cuban bread. Okay, there we go. If you want, you can add some half and half cream or heavy cream to make it more smooth. Okay. Alright friends, the garlic butter spread is ready. Now add pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, and mix it nicely. We can also add heavy cream to this garlic butter spread. Heavy cream or half and half cream to make it more smooth. In that way you can use for the flatbreads. In my earlier episodes I use garlic herb cheese bread. It's the same mix. Today we are going to make toasted and baked garlic bread. Before placing the garlic bread in the oven, I'm going to cut the bread diagonally in this manner. Okay. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Here we go friends. I use a Cuban bread, okay, which is nice and soft, delicate, and very crispy once after it's cooked. Okay. If you don't have Cuban bread, you can use any kind of different kind of bread like white bread or sliced bread or sandwich bread, wheat bread, whatever is available in the home, ready to use quickly, you can use it. Okay. Now we are going to apply the garlic butter spread to this bread. Okay. Just like this, nice and easy. Okay. Similarly, just apply it to other side of the bread. Okay. Alright friends, the garlic butter spread is applied nice and smooth on the bread. Okay. Now this garlic bread can be done in 3 ways: grilled, toasted, or baked in the conventional oven. Okay. After cutting the bread into diagonal cross sections, I'm going to place it on a heating plate and bake it for 5 to 6 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Okay. Before that, I'm going to add some shaved Parmesan cheese on the top. Okay. Just to give some extra flavor and touch, and a little bit of fresh parsley, chopped parsley. Okay. Okay. The oven temperature is 400 Fahrenheit. I'm going to toast the bread for 5 minutes. Okay. Alright. Let's start. Alright friends, time's up. 5 minutes over. Let's check on the garlic bread. Wow, nice and beautiful, golden crispy. That looks amazing. To make a soft garlic bread, take this bread, place it on the aluminum foil, wrap it nicely, gently. Okay. And just seal it both sides. Okay. Like a small sandwich. Okay. And just put it in the oven and cook it at 400 Fahrenheit at least for 8 minutes to get that soft, toasty, tasty garlic bread. Okay. Once the garlic bread in the aluminum foil is cooked, take it out from the oven. Okay. And you can slice it according to your wish. Okay. The reason for the aluminum foil is it will keep the bread soft while infusing garlicky butter into each slice. Okay. Alright friends, you can see nice, crispy, tasty, toasty garlic bread is ready. You can use this as an appetizer before any meal or an evening snack. Okay. Or when you are having pastas, usually comes with garlic bread. Okay. The portion looks a little bit bigger in size. You can cut it into small pieces while serving it to the kids. Okay. You can use the garlic bread as a quick appetizer before any meal, especially while having pastas. They do come with the pastas to complement the dish. Okay. while I was referring about the kids, I would say while making this garlic bread, just use butter, a pinch of garlic powder, salt and pepper, heavy cream, and mix it and make a nice garlic spread, okay, and apply it to the bread and toast it, cut it into small pieces and serve it to them, because I'm sure most of the kids are not much into garlic flavors, especially fresh garlic flavors and fresh herbs. So I recommend just follow the simple and easy making process of garlic bread which I mentioned before. Okay, if the kids are happy, we are happy too. So on that note, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy garlic bread appetizer. I will see you next time. Until then, you take care, stay home and stay safe. Have a great day. Bye bye.